Well, FedEx just dropped this off, and I ordered this thing yesterday morning, so that was quick. So what we got here is the Dragy Pro. It's the newest model, DRG71. So let's get this thing out of the box and take a look and see what it comes with. Now today is just an unboxing video. I'll have videos in the future where we're going to go into a lot more detail and actually use it. But for now, let's take a look. And they do pack everything in tight. This looks like the unit itself. What do we got here? Another box of some kind. Another little box, and looks like maybe some instructions or something down here at the bottom. Okay, let's get this unit out of the box. Try to. Oh, that is wrapped in tight. We just a second or two. Or three. Okay. Now the backing on this Dragy is magnetic, which is very cool. It's got a USB-C right here, I'm guessing for charging. Now apparently this thing updates on its GPS like at 25 hertz, which is supposed to be way faster than like your phone's GPS. So it's supposed to be way more accurate than just an app alone. And in this box we got charging cord and some little metal plates. And looks like we got some Velcro in here. So I guess this is probably for mounting it to various places. Yeah, that's what that's got right there. So you can get some mounting Velcro and plates. And let's see what we've got in our final box here. Okay, so suction cup mount. So you can mount it that way. So you got, yeah, they give you a lot of mounting options with this thing. It's pretty good. Now, when you use this in conjunction with the Dragy and Dragy Lap apps, it's supposed to allow you to measure all kinds of things like 0 to 60, 60 foot times, quarter mile, eighth mile, 1 mile, 60 to 0 if you're braking on the main one, and there's other features as well. It's got like a speedometer and everything. And then the Lap app allows you to record data at various tracks around the world. It also works with your camera, so you can actually have an overlay where while you're driving, you can video that while it's showing you all your track data. It's pretty cool. I ordered a couple accessories from them as well. The phone mount for the windshield, a little bit longer USB-C cord, and cigarette lighter adapter. As soon as I get to use this a little bit, we'll be putting out more videos and give you a lot more thoughts on it and show you all the features. So if you'd like to pick up a Dragy Pro, go to DragyMotorsports.com, and at checkout, enter promo code Liberty76 for your discount. So if you like the video, please click that thumbs up. Also, if you're not a subscriber already, please go ahead and do so, and click that bell icon for future notifications. Please share the video and appreciate any comments. If you'd like to get some channel merch, look down in the description below and click on the links. We also have affiliate links down there as well that help support the channel and bring you new content. We also have links to our other YouTube channels as well as social media. Thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you in the next video.